Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes for pasta. It is called lemon shrimp pasta and is absolutely delicious. It's so easy to make, simple to throw together. I've got my pasta water going in the back. I've got my skillet heating up. So let me just show you everything you're going to need and let's get started. Okay, you guys. Over here we've just got 4 ounces of spaghetti pasta. It's 2 ounces per person serving. This serves 2 people. We've got salt and pepper. This is chicken broth. It's about a 1/4 cup. I've got a cup of spinach. And here I've got 4 teaspoons of grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. In here I've got garlic, lemon juice, and this is the secret ingredient, is rose water. You don't want too much, because if you put too much of this, it will overpower the dish and it won't be good. So less is more with this. It's very, very potent. And then I've just got about a cup of shrimp. These are pre-cooked shrimp. I went ahead and took the tails off because it did come with the tails. It's already deveined. And then I just went ahead and cut these into thirds. And then right here I've just got a very small onion chopped up, ready to go. So let's get this going. Okay guys, I've got my water boiling here. I've already salted it, so that is good to go. Now we're just going to add in our pasta. I know it doesn't look like a lot of pasta, but this only serves 2 people. So we're just going to get this in here, give that a little zhuzh around the pan so it doesn't stick together. And we're going to let that cook. In the meantime, we're going to start on our shrimp. Okay, you guys, I've got my pan on low heat. I'm just going to turn it up to medium-low. I just kept it on low so it would stay warm. And then I'm just going to use my little spray bottle here and add just a couple of squirts of oil, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're going to add in our onion. And we're going to let this cook until the onions are tender. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. So, add a salt and some pepper. Not too much, because you don't want it to be too salty. So, I'm just going to cook my onion until it gets tender, and then we will add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay guys, I added a little bit of water in here just to help it get more tender and cook up a little bit faster. And you can add water like that to any dish just to help it cook without adding extra calories. So what we're going to do now is add in our garlic. I don't like adding in the garlic the same time as the onion because garlic burns very quickly and I don't want it to burn. I want the flavor of the garlic. And also my pasta is done. I've got a little bit of the pasta water set aside and my pasta draining. I can smell that garlic. So I'm going to add in my shrimp. Now remember, this is already cooked, so you don't want to cook it too long. You just want to heat it through. We're going to add in our spinach. I just keep it frozen on hand. because we really can't eat that much spinach that quickly. So I just buy it and put it in the freezer, and it works out well. And then I can just add it into whatever dish I want. Now I'm just going to add in our chicken broth, our lemon juice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of rose water. That is all you need, because if you put more than that, it's going to overpower everything, and then it's just going to taste like roses. And we want it in the background and not in the forefront. So I'm going to add maybe about a teaspoon or so of that pasta water. And it's going to make a nice sauce. A little bit more salt and pepper. Our thyme. Give this a mix. It smells good. Now I'm going to add in our pasta. Now remember, this serves 2 people. And then we're just going to toss this around a bit. And this sauce. You want to pull the pasta out of the pasta water from cooking right before it's completely done, so that way it can cook with the sauce and it can absorb some of that flavor. Now we're going to add in our cheese. And just toss this around. And then just let this cook and absorb that cheese for maybe 3 or 4 minutes or so. Okay guys, this is done. So what I'm going to do is just plate this up really quick, and I will meet you right back here. Okay you guys, this is what the pasta looks like. Let me move my fork out of the way. There you go. Now this serves 2 people, and I will leave the total calories per serving down in the description bar below, and then I will leave underneath that the total calories for the whole 2 servings. So that will be in the description bar below. But this is so delicious. Let me see if I can get a good little bite here. Some shrimp. This is so good, you guys. You are going to absolutely love that pasta dish. It's not overpowering with the lemon. You have a little hint of that rose water in the background. It's not overpowering at all. You can slightly taste it. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.